Meaning of gallbladder.
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 Gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small, pear-shaped organ located just under the liver in the right upper abdomen. Its main function is to store and concentrate bile, a yellow-green fluid produced by the liver that helps with digestion. When food enters the small intestine, the gallbladder contracts and releases bile into the digestive tract to break down fats. However, the gallbladder is not an essential organ and can be removed without causing significant harm to the body. Gallbladder problems such as gallstones or inflammation can cause pain and discomfort, and may require medical treatment or surgery.